Ne korongo jwang yiero mar riwruog jotije kaunti ma pachoka ma ochan tim ayange kaunti ma Nakuru. Ochuno mondo ochor nyime bang' riwruok motelne kod jalar koma mano mar jagoro maduong' mar riwruogno Veska Kagongo dhi e doho ma Machakos kendo kwayo doho mondo ochungi yiero no kaluwore kod chich mar kuo. Kagiloso kod jofwambo odhiambo manyoro e kinde machuok bang' obila chungo yiero no mosechakore. Veska Kagongo wacho ni jagoro maduong' masani noloko chik mano mar yiero mar riwruogno kendo kelo pek mar jochung' mamoko mar yudo thuolo. Okang' momiyo jagoro mantiere e kom kende thuolo mar laro komno. Burano ogen winj chieng' tarik 19 mano mar dwe mar adek mar higane.
We have said no election without democracy. We are a democratic country. We appreciate the various articles of the Constitution that gives us that chance to redeem the leadership of our union and give it back to the members. So with those few remarks, we have said that we have won through a certificate of urgency that was given to us by the High Court in Machakos. We really want to thank. We have an efficient judiciary, whom after we went to plead our cause, they heard us and they stopped the elections. We also want to thank the security team in Nakuru, who acted very swiftly. Despite their serving of the court order, they wanted to proceed with the elections using goons. But we want to thank you, members. Thank you for standing for your rights.
The elections that had been called for the national elections, I believe it was not elections. It was like a scam. It's like a scam, and it was like to rubber stamp the already decided decision. What we will plead and what we will ask the government and even the courts is to create an enabling environment that is going to have a free and fair elections. Because this is a situation whereby you will get that the general secretary is the referee, the general secretary is the captain,